So am I still waiting for this world to stop hating? Can't find a good reason, can't find hope to believe in. Like a gun in hands, you can't change the state of the nation. We just need some motivation. These lies, I see no conviction, just lies and more contradiction. So tell me, what would you say?